Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweden. Today I've got a project that took a couple of days actually to do, and that was taking the rear tank out of the old pickup here. I ran into some snags along the way. Mainly I thought it was going to be simple just to lift the gas tank straight up, but it's not constructed that way. There is a slanted beam all around, and it has sort of a lip that holds the thing in place. So we had to take it up from underneath, and obviously naturally all the bolts were rusted kind of shut, so I had to give it a few days. But so here's a little video of me taking that out, and I hope somebody finds it instructive, and might be they could do the same thing from home. And if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like what you see. And I wish you all have a really nice day, and that you stay safe out there. Bye bye.